Welcome back to 6-Minute Math, where we turn confusion into clarity 6 minutes at a time. Thank you for joining us today for our video on solving multi-step equations. Ring that bell to get notified of more 6-minute content coming your way. And because we don't have a lot of time together, let's get going. Our key points when we're solving multi-step equations is that we are going to use opposite operations to isolate for the variable. We can look at any equation as a balance scale with the equal sign in the middle. If I do an opposite operations of addition on the left, I need to maintain balance by doing the same addition on the right side. Likewise, if I were to multiply on the left side, I need to maintain that equality by multiplying by the same amount on the right side. So let's look at some examples. We're going to solve for x in 2x plus 3 equals 3x minus 1, and I always need to maintain my balance. My first step is I'm actually going to use distributive property to get rid of my brackets. 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times 3 is positive 6. And that is going to equal 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. I'm going to move all my variable terms with the variable to the right side. So that tells me I'm going to subtract 2x. And to maintain my equality, I'm going to subtract 2x on the right side as well. 2x and negative 2x cancel each other off. So I have positive 6 equals 3x minus 2x is a single x minus 3. At this point, I need to get rid of this negative 3. So I'm going to add 3 and maintain equality by adding it to both sides. 6 plus 3 is 9, and that is going to be equal to x because my negative 3 and positive 3 cancel each other off, making my final answer x equals 9. How about if I were to solve for x in 3x plus 1 plus 2 equals 2x plus 4. We're going to use distributive property again to get rid of those brackets. So I would have 3x plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 2x plus 8. I can combine my like terms on the left side, so I'm just going to simplify that equation to say 3x plus 5 equals 2x plus 8. I'm going to move my terms with the variable to the left side this time by subtracting 2x from both sides. Those will cancel out, and I will have remaining 3x minus 2x is x plus 5 is equal to 8. I now need to get rid of this positive 5. The opposite of positive 5 is negative 5. Positive 5 and negative 5 cancels each other out. So I'm left with x equals 8 minus 5 is 3. On to our last example today. We're going to solve for x in 2x plus 3 plus 1 equals 3x minus 2 plus 7. Again, that first step is going to be distributive property to eliminate those brackets. 2x plus 6 plus 1 is equal to 3x minus 6 plus 7. At this point, I can simplify my terms on each side, which gives me 2x plus 7 equals 3x plus 1. Let's move my terms with the variable to the right side this time by subtracting 2x. Those cancel out, and I'm left with positive 7 equals x plus 1. On to my last step here, where I'm going to subtract 1 on both sides to get rid of this last constant, which gives me a final answer of 7 minus 1 is 6 is equal to x. But I always want that x first, so x equals 6. Those are all the examples we have today for solving multi-step equations. If you want to see more examples, be sure to check out the extended version of solving multi-step equations, which I will tag in the description below. Follow us on Instagram and TikTok at 6Minute Math, and be sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below for any topic you want to see me tackle in a future 6-minute episode. Always remember that the best way to get math is to practice math, so keep on practicing. And until next time, keep solving and evolving.